Welcome to New American Garden. I'm Carl Bishop, and on this episode, I have another fall project for you. I'm going to show you how to patch your lawn. If you're like me, your lawn's going to have some bare spots by the end of the season. Maybe you have a high foot traffic area, or you took out some clover or some creeping Charlie earlier in the season, and now you want to fill in those spots. The good news is the fall is the best time to grow grass because the intense heat of the summer is gone, there's more rain on average, and because grass sprouts in about 7 days, there's plenty of time for it to establish roots and to get strong and healthy before the frosts send it into dormancy for its long winter nap. Now, if you've been watching my episodes, you'll know that I don't talk at all about how to maintain turf grass because I think it's one of the greatest swindles perpetrated on us Americans. Not only is it the largest and most expensive crop grown in the United States that no one can eat, sell, or do anything with, it's also a weekly date with Mr. Drudgery. Doesn't sound like a good deal, does it? Why do we do this? Well, Americans' obsession with lawns started about 1870. And after World War II, it really kicked into high gear with the advent of the suburb. Plus, all those factories that were making nitrogen to build bombs for World War II had to do something with all that extra nitrogen, so they retooled their factories and started creating bags of fertilizer and pesticides that they convinced us we had to put on our lawns a lot. Combine that with the social pressure to maintain the homogenized aesthetic of the burbs, and that's the reason we keep maintaining these green monocultures. However, I will admit that a little well-maintained turf grass will beautifully set off your garden beds, and it makes a nice little green pathway for you to walk in between each. So if you have bare spots, I'm going to show you how to fix them. Let's talk about tools. You're going to need a lawnmower, a rake, a short-handled shovel, a wheelbarrow, and some grass seed and topsoil, as well as some fertilizer to give that grass the best chance to mature quickly. Here's how to do it. First, cut the lawn on a low setting to expose all the bare spots. Next, spread about 1 inch of topsoil over that area to give that grass seed some loose material to grow in. Here's a pro tip for you. To spread that soil evenly and quickly over the area, hold the shovel loosely with one hand and rock the handle back and forth with the other hand. Next, spread the seed over the area. I use my hand and spread an even but dense covering of grass seed because I want the best chance for it to mature before winter sets in. Now take the shovel again and cover that grass seed with about 1/2 inch of soil. Then finish up by spreading some all-purpose fertilizer over the area, but not too much because you don't want to burn those seedlings. Then finally give it some water. Within about a week, you should see some fresh green grass sprouting where you planted it. Now get out there and patch that unnecessary evil that is your lawn. And for more on how to make and maintain your new American garden, watch my other videos, and please subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks again for watching. I'm Carl Bishop, and this is New American Garden.